Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love cozy spaces, vintage touches, and that peaceful summer feeling, today's video is just for you. I'm going to share beautiful ideas to help you decorate your home like a charming summer cottage. Simple touches that bring warmth, comfort, and that relaxed summer vibe. Let's get started. Light linen curtains. Swap out heavy curtains for light, flowy linen or cotton curtains. They let in soft sunlight and give your space that breezy, airy feeling. Vintage floral cushions. Add cushions with small floral prints on your sofas or chairs. Look for vintage patterns. They bring that sweet cottage charm. Soft pastel colors. Use soft pastel tones like pale blue, blush pink, or sage green for walls, furniture, or decorative accents. These colors feel fresh and calming. Antique wooden furniture. Mix in a few worn wooden pieces like side tables or chairs. Scratches and faded paint add to the character of a cottage home. Fresh or dried flowers. Place small jars or pitchers filled with fresh garden flowers or dried lavender on tables and shelves for a relaxed, homey look. Wicker baskets for storage. Use wicker or rattan baskets for storing blankets, magazines, or even kitchen items. They add texture and keep your space tidy. Rustic wooden shelves. Install simple wooden shelves in your kitchen or living room to display your favorite books, ceramics, or vintage finds. Mix and match dinnerware. Set your dining table with mismatched vintage plates and bowls. It feels informal, playful, and full of personality. Garden-inspired artwork. Hang framed prints of botanical drawings, flowers, or countryside landscapes to bring the feeling of summer gardens indoors. Handmade quilts or throws. Drape a handmade quilt over your sofa or bed. Choose floral or patchwork patterns for that cozy, traditional touch. Glass jars and bottles. Use clear or tinted glass jars and bottles as simple vases or decorative accents, perfect for windowsills or shelves. Soft area rugs. Layer soft, natural fiber rugs underfoot, especially in living rooms or bedrooms. They help create warmth and softness. Whitewashed furniture. Try whitewashed finishes on cabinets or coffee tables to lighten up the room and give a beachy, countryside feel. Lace table runners. Dress up your dining or coffee table with a lace table runner. It's a delicate detail that adds vintage charm. Outdoor touches indoors. Bring in elements from the garden like a small wooden crate, terracotta pots, or a woven hat on a hook. Simple details that connect the indoors with the outdoors. And that's it, beautiful ways to bring the charm of a summer cottage into your home. Which idea was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more cozy home inspiration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.